everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is another Charlie's nail art haul. I have just done my Christmas one, so I will link that at the end. I did say in that video that I have one more haul to do, so I'm going to quickly do it now. There's quite a lot to get through. So this is all the new like foils and glitters and things that she's got. So first up, I brought some more of this fine metallic glitter in champagne because I really like this. It's perfect for Christmas. So I brought some more of that one. I also brought some more of these gems, and they are the 2mm silver, just because I use a lot of them, so I was running a bit low. I also ordered this starburst foil. It was in the sale section, and I thought, well, with Christmas coming up, it'd be perfect, so that can go over there. She also has some new glitter shapes. So these are moons, blue moons. So this is how big they are. Really pretty, and they really shimmer. Really pretty, and you get 3 grams of them. So let's move them. She also has some umbrellas, so you get 3 grams, and this is what they look like. Really cute. Some of them, as you can see, they are iridescent, so this is what they look like in the bag. Super cute, and very thin as well, so it'd be perfect. She also has some horse eye shapes as well. So this is what they look like out of their bag. Really pretty, and this is what they look like in the bag. So you get loads, so I can't wait to use them. Really pretty colors, and again they are super thin as well. I also ordered some of these gems. They are 5mm bronze gems. So let's just open this one up, and let's just dump them out. And of course they all fall the wrong way. Typical. Let's just turn a few over. So this is what they look like. Rogue hair. So they are super pretty, and as you can see, they're coloured on the back as well. So they are really pretty. Really pretty. I really like them. So they are the bronze gems. She also has another little mix of the puzzle pieces. So this is mix 2. So this is mainly purple, green, blue and orange. Really pretty. They're more pastel, so I really like them as well. Yeah, let's carry on with the glitter mixes, and then I can show you the foils last. So she also has one called Silent Night, and this is 4 grams, and this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. You have stars and moons, hexagons in there. That's what it looks like in the bag. Really pretty. So she has that available in silver and in blue. Absolutely beautiful. So this is them side by side. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Let's just put them down. She also has footprints in the snow, and this is this one here. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's so pretty. Look at all them snowflakes. Wow. So that is that one there. And she also has Festive Cheer, which is also 4 grams. And that is what that one looks like. And this is what it looks like in the bag. So pretty. So again, it's hexagons, and you have some small and large ones. Oh, it's just so pretty. Really, really pretty. So that is Festive Cheer. Okay, right, let's get through these foils as quick as we can. So this one is called Black Floral Lace. So these are all lacy ones. So this is what this one looks like. Really, really pretty. The next one is Black Floral Busy Lace. That's what that one looks like. Again, it's super pretty. Next one is Black Rose Lace. Absolutely beautiful. And I love that you'd be able to see your base colour through them. Absolutely beautiful. And also Black Fishnet Lace. So there's teeny tiny little dots. Really pretty. So again, you can see your base colour through it. And this one is Black Lily Lace. Is what that one looks like. So pretty. Really, really pretty. And the next one is Black Polka Dot Lace. So you have black polka dots. Really, really pretty. And it looks kind of like honeycomb. Here's that one there. And the next one is Black Floral Web Lace. So that is what that one looks like. Camera's acting up today. So that's super, super pretty. And then the next one is Black Floral Ditzy Lace. Really pretty. It's really, really pretty. I really like that. That is that one there. And the next one is Black Chunky Lace. So this is what this one looks like. Again, absolutely beautiful. So pretty. I'm loving these lace ones. And the next one is Black Heart Lace. So this is what this one looks like. So pretty. Really, really pretty. So that is that one there. And then we have Black Doily Lace. So that is that one there. Really, really pretty. Really pretty. And then we have Black Star Lace. I don't know if I showed you this or not. And they have little faces on. Little eyes and little smiley face. Super cute, and all different sizes. So cute. And the next one is Black Lace Trim. So pretty. Look at that. Really, really pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. And then the last black one is Black Butterfly Lace. So this one is a shearer black. So that is what that one looks like. It has some super tiny little butterflies on it. I'm hoping you can see that. So that is that one there. Really pretty. That's all the black ones, and the white ones are the same, but I'll just quickly show you. So this is white lace trim, same as the black, same design but in white. So that is that one there. Floral busy lace in white, and then the white floral lace. So that's it in white. And we have white fishnet. So it's the same as the black, but in white. Beautiful. And then white polka dot lace. Beautiful, beautiful. Really like it. So cute. And then this is the stars in white. It's super cute. And then we have the white butterfly lace. Let me put it over my... So that's what that one looks like. And white heart lace. So this is what this looks like. Really, really pretty. This is also the lily lace. So this is the white one. That's the white one there. And also the rose one, and this is it in white. And this is the doily one, also in white. And this is the chunky lace in white. Really, really pretty. And this is the ditzy lace in white. So cute. It's really, really pretty. And then this is the last one, the last thing in the haul. So this is the floral web lace in white. So that is all the new foils and bits and bobs that she's got on the website. Let me know down below what you think. I know it was a lot of foils, but we also have some new glitter shapes and things like that. So she's always adding new stuff to the website all the time. So it's always worth checking the website out, and also following her over on Instagram as well, because she posts all her new items and things like that on there. There is so much on the website, so many different glitter mixes, different shapes, all sorts of different stuff. You really need to hop over and check it out. If you do place an order, obviously don't forget my discount code Karina10. It's always down below anyway. And yeah, I just need to put all this away now. There will be pictures at the end. Let me know what you think. Will you be buying any? And don't forget the advent calendar as well. I will put the direct link in the description box. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And yep, I will get cracking with the next video. Well, thank you so much for watching, and take care, stay safe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.